Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the picture mode on your TCL 32V5C TV. First of all, locate and press the gear button on your remote control to open the TV settings. Then in TV settings, select Picture, go to Picture Preset, and then select one of the available presets you see on the list. Once you navigate to the selected preset, you will see the preview of what your screen will look like with it. And after that, also go to Apply All Picture Mode in the previous menu and select which source you want to apply a picture mode to, either to a current source or all sources. The sources being your basically inputs like cable antenna, your HDMI inputs, your gaming consoles, and everything else. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.